The lens is a transparent, flexible structure located behind the iris in your eye. It's responsible for focusing light onto the retina, allowing you to see objects clearly. One of the lens's remarkable abilities is accommodation. It can change its shape to focus on objects at different distances. When you look at something up close, like reading a book, the lens becomes thicker and more curved, and when you gaze into the distance, the lens becomes flatter. Accommodation is made possible by the action of the ciliary muscles surrounding the lens. When you shift your focus from near to far or vice versa, these muscles contract or relax, causing the lens to change its shape accordingly. As we age, the lens in our eyes becomes less flexible and transparent. This natural aging process can lead to the development of cataracts. Cataracts occur when the lens of your eye becomes cloudy, making it difficult to see clearly. Imagine looking through a foggy window. That's similar to what it's like when you have cataracts. If you have cataracts, you may experience symptoms like blurred vision, difficulty seeing in low light, sensitivity to glare, and seeing halos around lights. These symptoms can greatly affect your daily life and activities. In the early stages of cataracts, your eye doctor may suggest non-surgical approaches to manage your symptoms. These can include changes in eyeglass, using brighter lighting, wearing anti-glare sunglasses, and magnifying devices to aid vision. When cataracts significantly impair your vision and impact daily activities, cataract surgery becomes an option. During the surgery, the cloudy lens is removed and replaced with an artificial lens called an intraocular lens, restoring clear vision. It's one of the most common and successful surgeries performed worldwide. It's a relatively quick and painless procedure that usually takes less than 30 minutes. You will be given local anesthesia to numb your eye, commonly eye drops, ensuring you are comfortable throughout the surgery. You will remain awake but won't feel any pain. Once you're ready, your surgeon will make a tiny incision around 2 mm in the junction between cornea and sclera. 1 or 2 tiny incisions will also be made to enable the manipulations on the time of surgery. Next, surgeon applies a jelly-like transparent substance called OVD inside the interior chamber. This will protect the interior structure of the eye in the time of surgery. Then, a round opening around 5 mm will be made in the capsular bag where the lens is located. This will help to remove the cataract lens without removing the capsular bag. Then, the surgeon will break up the cloudy lens and carefully remove it. Cataract surgery employs advanced techniques such as phacoemulsification. This method uses ultrasonic energy to break up the cloudy lens, making its removal safer and more efficient. The red color can be seen after the cataract lens removal. This orange-reddish color is the reflection from the eye's retina. After the cataract is removed, your surgeon will insert a clear artificial lens called an intraocular lens with an injector. The intraocular lens will unfold gently into the capsular bag. This implanted intraocular lens is fixated and centered in the eye, and the incision is self-sealing. This new lens will restore your vision like natural healthy lenses and often correct any existing refractive errors. Modern intraocular lenses like trifocal lens will provide more convenience to patients in vision of near, intermediate, and far distant objects. After the surgery, you will rest for a short while and your eye will be protected with a patch or shield. You will receive instructions from your doctor about using eye drops, taking medication, and avoiding strenuous activities during the healing process. As your eyes heal, you will start to notice a significant improvement in your vision. Colors will appear brighter and you will regain clarity and sharpness in your sight.